How to change voice in Google Translate. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open your Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for Google Translate. It will land you on its page. Let me just write something here. Now one thing is to know that there is no any feature or the option where you can change the voice of your Google Translate. It is actually impossible to change it. But if you want to change the voice, you can use another website. In the search bar, search for Natural Reader. Head over to the first site. Tap on Get Started for free. It will land you on this page. Now right here you can type any text that you want. So let me just write something. Now if you tap on this play button, it will read the text that you have written. In order to change the voice of the reader, just tap on this icon. You'll get to see different options of voice. Right here you can also change the accent of the voice. Choose whichever accent that you want. Now you can just select whichever voice that you want. So let me just choose this voice. Now if you tap on play, it will change the voice of the reader. Likewise, you can choose whichever voice that you want. So this is it for today, and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.